Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making something absolutely delicious, cheesy, dynamite chicken buns. These buns are soft, creamy and packed with crispy chicken, perfect for iftar or an evening snack. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add half a cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. Mix well and let the yeast dissolve. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, 2 cup of flour, that is all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix everything with your hands and knead it into a soft and smooth dough. Once done, coat the dough with little oil, cover it and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's marinate the chicken. Take some chicken strips in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half an egg, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and salt to taste. Mix well and let it rest for 30 minutes. After the dough has risen, roll it out into circles. Fold each circle into half moon. Brush one side with the milk. And coat it with breadcrumbs. Transfer them to a baking tray. If you want, you can lightly make a mark on the buns. This is optional but makes them look very pretty. Now bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Now the buns are ready. Let's fry the chicken. Dip the marinated chicken into an all-purpose flour and corn flour mixture. Then deep fry it until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Once fried, coat it in dynamite sauce made of chili sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, chili powder and salt. Now it's time to put everything together. Take a bun, spread the dynamite sauce inside and add lettuce or cabbage leaves. Place the chicken piece on inside and top it with cream cheese for extra creamy texture. And that's it. Look at how amazing these buns turned out. They are so soft, so cheesy and absolutely delicious. Perfect for iftar or any special occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.